necessarily buy anything else. So like once I find my and I do a lot of talking to myself.
That's okay. I know that.
So I apologize. Okay.
Oh.
And I need a syringe.
Okay. What size does it matter? Is it 20? Oh, you need the water.
Yeah, no, I actually would need like a catheter tip syringe. This here is a 10 cc, so I'll need 10 cc's of water.
10 cc's, okay.
Yeah.
So you go by
Always go by what your catheter says. Okay. Yeah, because...
Oh, it says how many cc's?
Yep, it'll always tell you, yeah.
Oh,
like
okay.
the last one that they had at Purdue, it was 5 to...
10 cc's of water, please.
It was 5 to 10.
Okay.
I always like to go a little bigger.
Make sure.
It is really hard to rupture those Foley bulbs.
That's what I was...
Really hard. So I would rather it be too big, so that way I know my catheter's not going to slip out of my urethra.
Now, could you ever get that, like in trach tubes, when you get them too tight and too big? Not if you go, as long as you go by what they say.
So, yeah, and it's really hard to go too big.
Okay. A lot more expansion than probably the trach has.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, because you have your whole bladder.
Yeah.
And, you know, your bladder can stay huge. So I like to push mine all the way in, fill my cuff up, and then pull it back.
Okay.
So that way I know I'm all the way through the urethra. Because if you expand this in your urethra, you can rupture your urethra.
Okay. That's what I was thinking of. But so you're in the bladder actually, so it's holding in there.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay. And then I'm just going to pull out till it doesn't let me. Why are you taking me too far out? Why didn't this thing cuff? There it goes.
That's okay.
Pretty far, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I thought it was pretty. I think it would be urethra would be longer.
Depending on what type of surgery she may have had. I don't know. Can you cut out some of your urethra? Here's the skin. My needle. You ship this through.
They teach us all kinds of things. They're teaching me, right?
Who would have thought, right?
Hey, I'm always up for learning.
Yeah.
Figure I put one real quick though.
You know, you're exactly right. I always do.
I got her just on one right now, so
she's fine.
Okay.
So he's basically just pop in a stage suture, and then I'm gonna make my Chinese finger trap on this and then connect it to that. So, you know, have you made Chinese finger traps before?
Only not with suture.
Okay. So,
but your exes.
Yep. Do 2 throws. Tie down. You know, like if we were doing like a nasal cannula or something like that, you'd want to kind of clamp down a little bit. With this having her urine, I don't want to occlude this very much. So, so 2 throws in the front, kind of. You want to make it kind of firm.
Okay.
Crisscross in the back, and then 2 throws. Pull down kind of firm, crisscross in the back. And you want to do that 6 to 10 times.
Okay.
And you want to make sure they're pretty evenly spaced. and that's what's
that would
gonna
be half the knack.
It is keeping them kind of evenly spaced. That way you don't. Thanks.
Comes from music. Used to be helping in surgery, and you always go, okay, what is it he needs me to, how can I help him best? Or help them best, I should say.
Anything to be more proficient, right?
Yes, anything to save a little time and a little... Time is, to me, is life.
Yeah.
It reminds me of a rib roast or something when you put it on.
One more for good measure, and then we'll connect it to. So my last little notch here in my finger trap, I always like to do a couple, 2, 3 throws on top of it, just to. I don't really know if it makes a difference, but it just makes me feel better that I've actually like tied it off, so to say. I'm just gonna bring this over here and essentially do the same thing. So that way I know she's connected to herself. Dang it.